Hi guys, Mike from Lancaster Automart here again. This is us. That's our parent Volkswagen dealer who we share the site with. This is a 2018 Corsa 1.4 limited edition, 16,800 miles. I'm going to give you a quick walk around the car just to show you the condition. Alloy wheels are all good, I don't think I've seen any marks. No, nothing. I mean, this is the bit where I normally show you the bad bits we maybe need to rectify, but I can't actually see anything on this one. Normally got something to report, be it a little bumper scuff or a little... I finally spotted something. Ooh, the tiniest of tiniest stone chips. This one's touching in. Very, very clean car. Great mileage. Superb interior, a really usable home screen, manual gearbox there, but condition wise not a lot to report. Right, as always, any extra pictures or videos, part exchange prices, finance inquiries, absolutely anything at all, please give us a call or send us a message. Thank you, bye.